Welcome to our guide on how to log into Facebook, with the latest updates to make the process even easier for you. Let's dive right in. To start off, if you're using the Facebook app on your Android device, simply open the app. You can log in using your email, phone number, or username associated with your Facebook account. Once you've entered this information, input your password and tap Login to access your account seamlessly. Another convenient way to log in is by using your Instagram login information. As long as your Facebook and Instagram accounts are linked in the same account center, you can use your Instagram credentials to sign in to Facebook effortlessly. For those who prefer an even quicker method, the one-tap login feature is perfect for you. If you're already logged into your Instagram account on the same device, logging into Facebook with a single tap is a breeze. Your account details will be saved on the device, allowing you to simply tap your name or profile picture to access your Facebook account. With these updated login options, accessing your Facebook profile has never been more convenient. Stay connected with friends and family with just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and happy logging in.